Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Michele Tomea from Thai-Italian Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for attending this webinar of the Thai Herb series launched together with TICC, several partners, and today our guest will be T.Man. A few words about our cooperation with T.Man and the speaker of today. I will broadcast the video organized by our partner. The company will present the three speakers, Mr. Prapon, Thanachotipan, Managing Director. Then we have the presence of Dr. Nopadon Luang, Pharmaceutical Technical Director, and Ms. Thayapon Lenwanagi, Doctor of Pharmacy and Project Manager and Product Management Pharmacist. Together with them, we will browse the title of Leverage the Quality of Herbal Products to Pharmaceutical Standard. T.Man is a long history pharmaceutical company. Was established in 1972, founded by Mr. Tirawat Thanachotipan. The company mission is to innovate, develop, and improve production technology and every step of the process towards the industry of Thai traditional pharmacopeia. The vision of T.Man is to create an organization that competes with global standards and provides excellent products to both local and international clients. Today, T.Man Pharma has achieved success as a manufacturer, importer, and distributor of quality pharmaceutical products and medical devices, which has led our organization to be internationally recognized as a partner of choice for companies in over 13 countries, as well as hospitals, medical schools, clinics, pharmacies, infirmaries, and leading organizations. So thank you very much for being with us. Now I will broadcast the video presentation from T.Man. Just a few seconds to upload and sharing my screen with you, all of you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Thanyapon Ledwanaek as Product Manager as the representative of T.Man Pharma Company Limited. Today, I feel very honored to have a chance presenting in the subject Leverage the quality of herbal products to pharmaceutical standards. First of all, I would like to talk about market value and trend of herbal consumption in both global and Thailand market to show the overview picture to you. For the graph, the data in the year 2017 to present year and the forecast value in the next 5 years shows the increasing trend. It means the size of herbal products market will grow bigger and bigger in the future. For Thailand market, the market value and trend of herbal consumption is about the same as global market. All of the data shows the consumption trend of people around the world that turn to more and more healthcare products. We can expect that the business about herbal product is growing abundantly. Many of you are probably wondering why more and more people are turning to herbs currently. Considering the people structure, you can notice that many countries worldwide become aging society, including Thailand. By the nature of the elderly, they are often familiar with the consumption of herbal products, as they feel safe and realize that herbs are from nature. As a result, the herbs are used more popularly. In addition, nowadays, the new generation is increasingly consuming natural products as well. It's the trend of save the world, select and consume natural products and use chemical at the least. And currently, people prefer preventive care before getting ill. Therefore, they turn to use herbal products as an alternative for healthcare and disease prevention. In addition, herbs can also help to treat disease. Compared to modern medicine, that would be recommended only when the person gets sick and use the medicine to treat sickness at the time only. Therefore, herbal products are very responsive to the current trend. Moreover, most of the people begin to be more concerned about the side effects of taking modern medicines, and they feel that herbal products are safer than before. As a result, the interest in using herbal products, natural processing, and not synthetic, is more popular. Currently, herbal products consist of cosmetic, dietary supplement, and herbal medicine. For the graph, it can be seen that section of food supplement and herbal medicine are still small, because medical personnel that are considered to be more important group in the career about medicine and dietary supplement, who may forward message or hand herbal products to general people, still have not enough trust in herbal medicine and supplement products to recommend using them. Though the market opportunities for herbal products are abundant, the major challenge is building confidence in various aspects of products as production standard, quality and safety control, to be enough to build confidence among consumers, including medical personnel. Herbal products require a lot of detail and carefulness in every step of the production. Do you know each part of herb, whether leaf, flower, fruit, or roots, contain different amount of important substances? Herbs that are grown in each area, different topography and climate, age before harvesting or even extraction process. All these factors affect the amounts of important substances in herb that affect the control of active substance or active ingredients of the product. Besides, natural extracts or important substances that we get from herbs are often low stability. When they are exposed to heat, humidity, light, or air, they may be degraded. That affect to decline the efficacy of products, and the products become shorter shelf life due to the reduction of the important substances amount to below the specified norm. In matters of contamination with bacteria, fungi, or toxic residue as heavy metals, arsenic, and insecticide, these contaminations cause the consumer worry and cause a huge impact on the confidence of herbal products. If there is no production control standard or sufficient quality analysis, these contaminations will be able to harm the health of consumers both in short term and long term. Another problem that could be often found is the difficulty in using method of herbs. Traditionally, herbs were used in the form of decoction, herbal liquor, herbal infused, poultice, or compressed. A part of difficulty and inconvenience in using herbs. There are also issues of smell, taste, and mess of the color of herbs that cause poor experience of using herbal products, and people avoid using herbal products for any longer. As a leader in the field of herbal products manufacturer, we cannot be silent about this problem because we believe that herbal products can be developed to be better in both quality and efficacy. Our company has been established for longer than 50 years. Our team consists of doctors, traditional doctors, pharmacists, and functional food specialists with high expertise in the field of herbs. During the past period until now, we never thought that we would stop developing herbal products every 4 days. So our goal is, how can we prove the effectiveness of the herbal products it must be effectively used. After the product is launched, it must be accepted by everyone. And the answer is raising the quality of herbal products to be equivalent to the standard of modern medicine, because we believe that this will build confidence among medical personnel and explain to the general public to accept the herbal products. And our first action is to get real understanding of each herb that will be used as raw material. We do not select each raw material to be developed into products just because they have been used for a long time. But we take what has been used for a long time for being studied, why those raw materials are effective. Which one is the active substance that we gradually develop and improve the production process to get the higher quality and efficacy of that substance. For example, ayara, which is a cough syrup made from mawang. Mawang is one of the Thai herbal medicine recipes that has been used for a long time, but there is still a lack of studies on the important substances, which is the standard for quality control of herbal medicine. Therefore, we have conducted a research study and found that mawang extract contains as active ingredient called solar sodium. Therefore, in the process of producing ayara, we have developed a secret extraction technology to keep and get as much active ingredient solar sodium as possible. Solar sodium is the important substance and used as a component of the medicine. So we can obtain mawang cough syrup, high concentration and good quality that consists important substance at the same quality in each bottle and definitely higher safety. The point of understanding the raw materials is very important in the development of herbal products. If we do not thoroughly understand the raw material or do not study that raw material beforehand and do not know the biomarker of each herb, that will cause us to be unable to control the quality, standard and quality of the active ingredient of the products. Whereas we can control this parameter, we can ensure that the consumer actually get the active substances in every drop of the medicine and constantly get the same amount of the active substance in every bottle. And you can be sure that our products will actually work and can treat the symptom. For the stability, it is also an important issue that must be discussed. Commonly, herbal extracts are unstable or low stability. For example, a group of substances that everyone would be familiar with as a group of natural antioxidants, which is an important active ingredient and provides many benefits. Normally, the problem of instability causes difficulty in production of antioxidants and keep its efficacy. But it's not that you cannot do it at all. We have been trying to develop herbal mouth ointment products that contains anthocyanin, a group of antioxidants. The research data confirms the properties of an anthocyanin that it provides many good benefits. But the problem was found, that is, the rapid degradation of vital substances after extraction. Therefore, we have been researching to stabilize the extracts. At the end, we had cooperated with the Faculty of Pharmacy, Khon Kaen University to fix the problem of stability by developing anthocyanin extracts into complex compounds, which is a way of mimicking natural by including interactions between pigments and other substances such as flavonoids or other anthocyanin molecules to be cell association. This will change the physical and chemical properties such as the light absorption, heat resistance, solubility, and the most important, can increase the stability of anthocyanin in the solution and remain in standard range throughout the product's shelf life. This is a very important point. If we develop a product but it is poor efficacy or the efficacy drop below the exact range, it is something we cannot accept. Once we can keep stability to the product and maintain efficacy throughout the product life, we dare to say for sure that our product is efficient and effective. One of the problems that is quite worrying, not just for the consumer, but also the company ourselves, is a matter of safety. The problem of contamination, whether it's bacteria, fungi, or toxin residue, such as heavy metals, arsenic, and insecticides. All of these are factors that affect the safety of consumption. We have seriously emphasized on the safety of consumers. Therefore, we have comprehensive and detailed standard requirements for quality control and safety, which is controlled throughout the production process for the source of raw material to the finished product. Please be ensured we never allow that our products cause harm to the consumers. The last issue that I will talk today is improvement of using method of herbal products. Studying and understanding consumers is also very important. We have to constantly adapt our products to suit the lifestyle of today's people. We cannot stick to the old information. We have to study and update the current behavior of people. What form of products will satisfy them? For example, little iron weak tea that is used to reduce the cigarette craving. People tend to drink little iron weak tea when they have a cigarette craving and they don't want to smoke or want to reduce smoking. It seems to be no problem with both products. After we studied the present consumer behavior, we have found that brewing the tea of drink increased the difficulty in consumption and it inconsistent with the behavior of smokers. In addition, the taste of little iron weak tea makes many people do not want to drink it. Therefore, we have developed a product called cigarettes, which is a spray made for little iron weak, switch for drinking tea to a much easier way. Just spraying cigarettes on the tongue. It is more specific in reducing the cigarette craving. It is portable, convenient for using as needed. And most important, we have developed to eliminate the bitter taste of herbs as well. During the product developing process, we have tested its effectiveness and satisfaction on using it until the results show that the product can actually reduce the cigarette craving and consumers have a preference on the form of the product. All of these are just examples of the development of the various herbal products that we have done and the products that evidently present in view of being accepted among the consumers. And we consider it a prototype that we are very proud is Propolis Plus Egg Herb. It is a natural extract product that has been certified by Thai FDA as a medicine. Our company has upgraded this product from the natural products that can be reduced just only cosmetic by conducting further research in several areas until we can get a health claim that it is a researcher and developed medicine for the purpose of relieving sore throat, throat irritation, and soothing throat. To upgrade this product, we implement many standards, whether ensuring the effectiveness of active substances to confirm the active substance in propolis extract and Terminalia shibula extract, including safety policy such as sterilization and sorting out the contamination as heavy metals, insecticide to confirm the quality and safety of the product. Therefore, propolis plus egg curve has become a product that medical personnel can touch and confirm. For the next goal, right now, we are developing a group of products for cannabis and hemp under the new standard that we define. We control the quality, efficacy, and safety of products before reaching consumers. We have collaborated with the Faculty of Pharmacy for top universities in Thailand. That's considered us as a strategic partnership. We and the researcher team has collaborated to develop and research the formulation to get the amount of THC and CBD extract in the right proportion, including testing procedure such as activity and efficacy testing to ensure getting the best products. In the near future, we look forward to seeing a high quality of products in this category than what we found in the market today. Example of medical cannabis products that we are doing research and development and clinical testing with government agencies are cannabis extract cream for the treatment of cirrhosis, skin pack with cannabis extract to relieve pain, sublingual tablets with cannabis extract for pain relief, cannabis extract ointment to treat oral ulcer, inhaler with cannabis extract to relieve migraine. As for the consumer market, we have developed a list of cosmetics and foods made from components of cannabis and hemp that has been removed for additive list. Cosmetics such as nice toothpaste with hemp extract, moisturizing and soothing cream with CBD, anti-aging and moisturizing lotion with hemp seed oil. Foods such as cannabis leaf tea in tea bag, herbal drink powder mixed with cannabis leaf, cannabis jelly, hemp seed protein powder, hemp seed oil. And all of these are the parts of upgrading herbal products that we have done. As a leader in the field of herbal products manufacturer, we have the intention to not stop in continuously upgrading herbal products to make them effective, high quality and safety, and meet consumer expectations. We will develop the production process to the best standard to be internationally recognized. And lastly, we will keep upgrading the herbal products until people believe in herbal products that it is the same quality with modern medicine. Thank you.
Okay, here is the second part of presentation. Let me show you who we are, what we can do, and how we leverage the quality of herbal product to pharmaceutical standard. We T.Man Pharma Group, we are in the healthcare business almost 50 years, since 1972. We aim to be one of the leading companies to provide wide variety of healthcare products to fully integrate serve all business partners. Our company mission is fully commit, innovate, and develop the quality of healthcare product to conform to the international standard. And we strongly believe that with the current capability of T.Man Pharma Group, we can create new innovative healthcare products. And this makes us as a company motto as collaboration for innovation. We T.Man Pharma Group has 4 subordinate companies as following. Firstly, T.Man Pharma Company Limited function as manufacturer of modern medicine and pharmaceutical products. Secondly, T.Man Pharmaceutical Company Limited, function as an importer and exporter of healthcare products. Thirdly, Heaven Herb Company Limited, function as a manufacturer of herbal medicine, food supplement, cosmeceutical product, and cosmetic products. Lastly, Nova Health Company Limited, function as a research center with working with the top-class university in Thailand. Let me show you overall facility in T.Man Pharma through this company presentation video.และนี่คือความทุ่มเทและความตั้งใจของเราที่ T.Man Pharma เพื่อเป็นส่วนหนึ่งในการดูแลสุขภาพคนไทยเพราะคำมั่นสัญญาของเราคือสุขภาพที่ดีของคุณ The previous video is to show facility of T.Man Pharma, which currently manufacture modern medicine and pharmaceutical products. We hygienically process under the TICC GMP standard, which equal to European standard, including continuous improvement of production technology and quality assurance process to be up to date, in order to assure that every single product that we produce will satisfy the consumer of T.Man Pharma Group and improve their quality of life. However, we have applied the overall standard of pharmaceutical product to healthcare product through our subordinate factory as Heaven Herb Company Limited, which I will show you a video presentation as well. In terms of company standard, currently T.Man Pharma was certified TICC GMP standard, which equal to European standard. Also, we already apply ISO 9001 in our management system, and we apply more in ISO 17025 in order to get laboratory accredited. In terms of award, we got Prime Minister Export Award in 2018 and has been certified a Thailand Trustmark logo from Ministry of Commerce. We are the first company that acquired innovation herb medicine license from Ministry of Health. As I told you earlier about our company motto, so we pay much attention in the healthcare innovation, and that make us invest in our own laboratory, and also has a research center company as Nova Health Company Limited, which working with the top class university in Thailand, such as Chulalongkorn University, Thammasat University, Kasetsart University, for example, and working with national institute such as NIA, National Innovation Agency, and NSTDA, National Science and Technology Development Agency. And here is the example of innovative healthcare product and our top selling product of our company. The Propolis Plus X Herb Mouth and Throat Spray. We use standardized propolis extract and Thai herb extract like Terminalia chibura as the active ingredient in mouth spray preparation. And the indication and usage is to cure or relieve sore throat or tonsillitis, which caused by bacteria or virus. Ayala cough syrup and lotion. We use 7 kinds of Thai herb extract, such as Luang, Emblica, and licorice, for example, as a main active ingredient to help relieve dry cough, chesty cough, and cough from smoking. Last but not least, we just launched our new business model as OEM and ODM business in order to expand our business and serve our current partner who want to get their own brand product. If anyone wants to ask for more information, please don't hesitate to contact us through our website. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hope you can hear me. Thank you a lot for sharing the presentation. Now we will start the Q&A session. So I will just want to double check in the chat if anyone would like to drop any information. But thank you a lot. We understand that T.Man is actually, let's say, working at 360 degrees all around herbal product and also pharmaceutical product. I have one of the first questions that I can address the company. The first one is why T.Man invests heavily in herbal products business since the modern medicine is already a good business?
Okay. Actually, it's quite a long story, but I will tell you in short that actually my mother, the president of T.Man Pharma Group, she has a passion in herb and strongly believe in the benefit of her product. From her perspective, she thinks modern medicine just cure the symptom of the illness, which cannot solve the root cause of that illness. But on the contrary, herbal medicine is not only cure the symptom of that illness, but also can enhance and balance the overall health. That is the holistic treatment concept that can improve the quality of life, which modern medicine cannot serve that. That's the reason why our president of T.Man Pharma, or my mother, quite fascinated in the herbal product and invest heavily in this business. For the example, for this case, it's like when people get cold, right? They're gonna have a lot of phlegm or the mucus thing stuck on their throat or on their respiratory tract. The modern medicine like carbocysteine or the ambroxol can help expel the phlegm from the body by their mechanism of drug. But compared with the herbal product like the mixture of the Emblica or mylobaran and Belalic mylobaran cough syrup that we have, this formula, or called in Thai that the T.Man formula cough syrup. This formula can help expel the phlegm in short-term treatment and also can enhance the body immunity to prevent the illness in long term also. This is a concept of the holistic treatment. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And also invite the participant, if you would like to drop a message anytime. The webinar video is recorded now, and we will upload the full video, very soon on the TICC YouTube channel to make it available. So also in case if you have any question, also you can reach T.Man. As you saw from the presentation, aside from product that probably we use already in Thailand by living in Thailand, you might be willing to maybe establish a partnership with T.Man. As you saw in the last slide, they are also offering a service as OEM company, which is very interesting for maybe Italian producer, European producer. In the meantime, another question that is from the public. And what is your vision and mission plan about herbal products?
Okay, for this question, I will let my advisory, Dr. Moderator will help me answer this question.
Okay, thank you for inviting me for this seminar. So the company has a very long history established in Thailand, and as Kun Prapon said, we are very confident that not only the company but also the Thailand folk wisdom and also the history of traditional medicines, and also the Thai biodiversity is very abundant. So I would say it's endless to look under the concept from local to global. Yeah, that's why I try to develop the Thai herbal product as the best technologies, and also the technology that we have been developed recently, as you have seen in the presentation previously. That is not only the technology that we have developed, we also concerned about the safety, efficacy of the product, and that's why every product we have a study of acute toxicity and also chronic toxicity to prove that our product is safe and also have a very high qualities. Okay, but last but not least, we are very proud to offer the Thai herbal heritage. As you seen, that is 1,000 years developed in our cultures, along with our recent technology we are developed, and also the available best technologies. Yeah, and I believe we are the great team, as you can see, and we hope the audience can participate in our website, and any further question you can ask our team. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And also, as you mentioned, one of the reasons of the webinar that we are promoting about the Thai herbal series is allowing the audience in Europe and Italy to better understand let's say the potential of Thai herbal products. In Italy, just to mention very shortly, you can find the products that have been distributed for a long time. Like you can find, for example, ginger, that is very famous. Recently, you can find goji berry, or even, for example, the red ginger from Korea. And for example, Italy is Italian in this case is a old growing society, and they are try to find products that are more natural. So let's say one of the mission of this webinar is to promote and give more information about what is actually available about herbal products. So this partnership with T.Man is also very useful for better understanding what we can use in the future. And adding this, I would like to ask maybe something that is a bit more technical. You mentioned in the presentation an herb that is called Mowen.
Luang, yes.
Is it typical in Thailand? It's something that you use for a long time?
Yes, this herb is used for a long time. It's since ancient people use this kind of herb. It's good for your when you get cold, it will expel your flame or the mucus thing.
Okay. This is also interesting in let's say for European country when we have winter or fall, that people actually can get a cold very easily because of temperature change suddenly. So this is also interesting. And
actually, I used to visit in Germany last 2 years. I see that in Germany they have the preparation like a tea, the herbal tea. But the ingredient in that tea, I'm not sure, maybe German herb something. But I get that concept and apply to Thailand market also. And we make the Ayara herb tea also by now.
This is absolutely interesting. Actually, in one of the previous webinars that we had, we saw that actually Germany and France are the top market in the consumption of infusion and Thai herbs. So it's especially Germany is a huge market for what we call infusion. That could be interesting.
Yes,
and
yes.
In Italy is also growing at the same time.
That's great. We seek any opportunity also, especially for this seminar. If they have an interesting chance to come, I embrace any opportunity because we want to promote our herb product. But we assure that with our experience and our team, we can leverage the quality, not only the plain herb product, but we can leverage the quality as same as the pharmaceutical, as we showed in the presentation, to assure the confidence to use the herb product or even Thai herb product that we produce.
And about this topic that you just mentioned, we saw that in the recent year, the Thai government was promoting a lot about the Thai herbal industry. And we saw, let's say, from 2015 that you can find probably more products than before. And in your vision, you think that this trend is expanding? Let's say you will see that probably there will be more space for Thai herbal medicine.
Yeah, sure. One plan that our government promoting right now, as shown in slide also, is cannabis and hemp. As you can see, maybe the global demand is not that much, but in some country like USA or Canada, the demand of the hemp and cannabis market is incredibly high. And also in Thailand, our government, as far as I know, they try to promote this plan to be one of the economic plan for our country, because last 5 years, we lost one of our economic plan, like a rice or jasmine rice, to our neighbor country like Vietnam or even Cambodia. Right now, they can grow the jasmine rice that originates from Thailand country. We lost that position already by now. So as far as I know, our government expect as much for this plan. They call this plan like a golden green plan. for the hemp and cannabis. And as I realized that, so I talked to my team that we have to catch up this trend. Also, we don't want to be left behind. Maybe later maybe after a couple of years, or maybe this year, I think many policy that our government try to promote is already unlocked, and they change many law to support the possibility to commercialize this plant in Thailand.
Yeah, actually, it's an interesting topic that we saw on the news, and especially, let's say, also Europe, not only America, United States, but also in some countries in Europe, you can actually use this plant as ingredients for different things. So in your presentation, you were developing the idea very well. Let's say it could be interesting as a cosmetic, as a medicine, and you can extract, let's say, an ingredient that can be beneficial in many ways for the human body. And this one is interesting. We saw also that Thailand is actually, Thai government is actually quick in developing a policy in this. And do you think like business-wise it's going to be also as quick as the policy? Let's say, do you think Thai industry is quick in adapting in this global demand?
Yes, I hope so. I see many change in Thailand. They found that our strength point, our country's strength point is the herb product, but one of the weak point is the technology that to support to leverage the quality, maybe still to be improved in the near future. But there are so many institutes in Thailand that are going to be support for the entrepreneur to improve themselves. And I see our government try to help us this point.
May I add to Kun Prapon said, Thailand also have a lot of research institutes. Up to now, they are focused on the pandemic of COVID. Yeah, they try to invent the herb that can fight the COVID. For example, the finger roots. Yeah, and also another herbs. Yeah, a lot of effort to do this, and I think this pandemic also very important for Thailand to be advanced in the technology of fighting with COVID as soon as possible. Our company has also developed the finger root extract into a mouth spray, but not just presentation in this time. Yeah, maybe next time we finalize the formulation and could be legislation in the high TA. I believe this product could be available, comparable to the populist product in the futures. And also the rice extract that Kun Prapon also said is a very good product. Yeah, we have the jasmine, black jasmine extract. It's good for skin. It's comprised of the gamma oryzanol and various antioxidants and anti-aging ingredient that we try in the lab, very successful now. In the future, we also have this product comparable to the CBD cosmetic product that we could launch in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you very much for mentioning this. And we saw also that in the recent year, Thailand was promoting also the riceberry rice. So let's say as an antioxidant and healthy. In Italy, for example, we saw, several cosmetics coming up from grapes. So let's say we use grapes for making wine, of course, which is Italy, France are very famous for this. But recently also some companies are trying to create an application for cosmetics and health more related to this type of product. And it's absolutely interesting. And of course, probably in the weeks to come, of course, with your availability, the availability of the team of T.Man Pharma, we will invite you for maybe some other webinar expanding about the topic. Today, we are approaching basically the end of this webinar, but you were able to show us a lot of interesting points that we can browse in upcoming future. And I would like to thank you very much for your time today. And
okay. And can I talk something in the end of the session?
Please.
Okay. Yes. As a representative of T.Man Pharma, I would like to say thank you to Italy-Thai Chamber of Commerce Institute that invite us, T.Man Pharma, to be one of the speakers in this online seminar to share our knowledge from our experience and expertise. We hope this seminar would be helpful or useful for all you guys, one way or another. Lastly, I wish everyone here to be safe from COVID pandemic. And don't forget using botanical product or herb product as an alternative way to keep yourself be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And also, last but not least, we will publish very soon the video. So for the audience that today was not able to ask anything, they can take a look at the registration very soon. Our next webinar about the Thai herbal series will be on June 4th, talking about the new normal and how to integrate herbal products in daily life for everyone. And of course, we will be in touch with T.Man, of course, for upcoming webinars or even articles that you would like to share with us. Anyhow, thank you very much. It was very interesting, and as you said, stay safe.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Sawadee krap.
Bye.
Bye.